Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to draw a person sleeping or lying down on one side, and we're showing the aerial view. So we're showing it from the top. We have other videos in which we have shown a person sleeping in a similar or lying down in a similar position, but it was shown from the side. So we are going to explore this very popular option today. So we are going to start with this handle type of thing. That's the curled body, shoulder, and there will be few things that we could do with the anatomy, but we will start with the most basic. So that's the elbow, so we'll start off with the basics. That's the arm and the elbow right there, and what we have is that will be the hand. So let's imagine that the shoulder is going backward. That is the coinciding shoulder, so everything is like scrunched together. Of course the chest is not the focus at all, but it's somewhere here. Let's say if we were to make it like two-dimensional, and it'll just vanishes right there. There's the ab crunch. So the other hand emanating from this side and going back again right under this hand. So it's a little confusing right now. So what we're going to do is put out certain framework from the get-go. We need the head essentially here. Now the head's placement also, we have to ensure that so everything is going like this, so it's the perspective is like that. So the eyes, the nose, and the mouth all placed like that. So so under the jaw some shade will also suffice, but we don't need to have it. The head could be tucked in inward more, because this is a really, although the person is lying down, this is a really potent exercise in anatomy. Okay, again we're back to, so what we have is now we'll start with this position, so really curled up, just like I guess they say like babies sleep like that. By the way, this anatomy here, let's correct that. This goes over this. I made a mistake there by crisscrossing them. So this scrunches into this, and we will make that more clear actually as we bold the lines later. And the other arm, just that, from this angle. And of course we'll put out the shin and the calf. Let's bring that back a little bit. Now the other leg we could show right under this one, or let's put some structure there, and then we have choices that we can go with. So we could always have this crunch even more angled and just come up like that. and the other leg could actually stay right where it is, and it would like still be effective. So that leg would be right there and it will still be effective. This hand right here, might as well grab another pen for this because it won't be very visible, get very messy. So this hand could just go like that and rest somewhere here. Also a very conventional sleeping pose with that hand still, and in this case the palm will show a little bit there, with that other hand still staying where it is. The head of course could be scrunched, crunched forward as well. So we have it right here pretty much straight, but we could also go like that and tuck it in right around there. So eyes, nose and mouth would be there. And also popularly seen, sometimes people will sleep like that. With one hand going on the side and the other hand could still remain where it is, right under, because that's the whole idea of curling up and sleeping. And of course the legs can be extended here, but this is more natural. But they could also be here, so we could also go and place the legs at a certain angle like that, so like that, and that will also work. But so we'll just go over the core frame that we put together so that this is not as confusing. So from this point on we just make all the lines apparent with this marker so that we can go back to the initial sketch, and which is my favorite here and which works in this position. So please try it out, it's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.